I can't join me make Aniga today. So for this recipe, we need cocoyam. This specie is called ede eku or edeji in some places. I don't know the English name for this particular specie, but I'll be writing it down in the description box or in the comments when I do find out. So first things, you're going to peel it or scrape it, whichever way you like. This one has some bad sides in it. You can remove it. You don't need those parts. So just cut them off until you get to a good part. Thankfully, my mom is not here or she's going to have my hide for peeling this the way I am. I'm actually butchering this. As a child, you're not allowed to peel things this deep. You were careful to peel the skin without getting more of the flesh in. So in case you don't know, please don't buy ede only, the type you use for soup. This is not the type you use for soup. This is a different type of cocoyam, not the type you use for soup. Though we can use this for soup, but this is not the type that is mostly used for thickening Igbo soups like unubu, oha, and the rest of them. So you peel until you're done peeling. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you haven't subscribed, and if you do like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. So when you're done peeling, the next thing you're going to do is to wash them in clean water and then dig out your grater if you have any. Be careful though, this thing is bloodthirsty. It's a vampire in the kitchen. It's looking for a way to attack you. So be careful while using this. Actually, you have to be very careful using this, or you're going to miss your precious fingernails. Or even your skin. Yeah, you could. So you're going to use a grater to grate them. Or, as you can see, it already gave me a warning. So if you don't have a grater or you don't want to use grater, you can use a blender. I don't like using blender because you may have to add water to it, and I don't like the consistency that much when I add water compared to doing like this. So these bits and pieces here now, I either use a mortar to grind them up, or I use a blender to do them and add them, or discard them. Okay. So when you're done, you're going to mix them up like this, because some of the yams, some of them don't have same consistency or texture, so I'm combining them so they can become uniform. So back in the day, we mixed this up using the wide mouth mortar and pestle. You can use if you want, or use a bowl like I'm doing here. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that you mix them up pretty well. Now your fresh bitter leaf should be chopped. Not all of them. You're going to use some for later, so take out the amount you need. You can use a lot more than this if you want to. So you chop your bitter leaf. It doesn't matter if it's tiny or large. In fact, you're not supposed to actually chop it finely. I'm only cutting it so it doesn't get too long inside. So you mix it up pretty well. Guys, the rain these days is not funny. I hardly even go into town these days because of the rain. You can hear the sound of the rain outside. That noise is the rain. So when you're done, you're going to use your already washed or pre-washed oma or etere leaves. You can use banana leaves also. This video I'm using etere or oma leaves. Now you're going to place your bitter leaves on the leaves first. Then scoop some of them the desired amount. Usually we make it big. I've never seen anyone make Aniga bundle look small. It's usually made big. Mine is even smaller than my mom would make hers. So you place your bitter leaves on top and then secure it. There is no hidden, or there's no particular rule about tying this. The most important thing is that you tie it well, that you secure it to it. It doesn't leak or water doesn't get into it before it gets cooking. That is the most important thing. And I can use different kinds of ropes. Now here I'm using ropes from rice. I got this rope, as you can see, from rice. bag of rice. You can get your roots from there. Make sure you tie them up. If they come, they're all short. Make sure you tie them up together before usage. Otherwise, you find that they're so short, and that will not make it easy for you to secure your Aniga. I usually save up ropes like this. You get them from palm front. I usually set them up. My kids tend to always see it and play games with them, so I end up never finding mine every time. So you can use them. I prefer them though because they give me a better grip. You can also use twine. So you're going to scoop, cover with your bitter leaves. You can add more if you want. Guys, the free word. I'm only doing the things that are normally as a, like a neutral person should in my videos. So for first timers, you can easily use it. You can always add more if you feel like. And one thing, the bitter leaf is never going to be bitter. I'm telling you. I promise you. In fact, I am promising you, you won't even know I had bitter leaves in here, unwashed, fresh bitter leaf in here. It doesn't taste in it. So you're going to secure this one. Make sure you secure it nicely and then tie it up. This is looking pretty. Don't you think so? So I'm going to place it in a pot to cook and discard the other things. So I'm using the sleeves so it doesn't burn. Yes, you adding the leaves because if you have to cook it till it's dry. So in order to avoid burning your leaves and then affecting the taste of your food, we add this leaf so that even if it's going to burn, it's not going to be the Aniga that will burn first. The leaves will burn and your Aniga will be safe. So you feel what pour water to it covers the Aniga. Now this part is not necessary. You can actually skip it if you want. I just put it there because I have excess, Now you're going to cook it till the pot dries up. That's when your Aniga is done. Aniga takes time to get done. It really takes time. So look, it's done. And you're going to allow it to cool. Actually, you can even cook it against a day or two before usage if you want. It doesn't matter. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? So there are two ways you can enjoy your Aniga. You can check them out in my playlist, my local Nigerian meals playlist for the recipes and how to use Aniga. Thanks for watching. Do stay safe and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.